Drone threats are scaling fast. Instead of isolated targets, operators now face coordinated swarms that challenge traditional air defense systems. AeroVironment introduced the LOCUST X3, a third-generation modular laser weapon designed for precise, speed-of-light engagement against unmanned aerial threats. Think of it as a scalable, AI-enabled defense layer built for complex environments. The system features a high-energy laser exceeding 35 kilowatts, capable of targeting drones weighing up to 1,320 pounds. Each engagement costs under $5 per shot and delivers sustained protection without the reload limitations of conventional missile systems. This cost advantage becomes critical when countering high-volume drone attacks. Automation plays a central role. AV-Halo pinpoint fire control software enables detection, tracking, and targeting, allowing the system to maintain continuous focus on moving threats. In most cases, it neutralizes targets within 5 to 7 seconds, while reducing operator workload. The platform follows the modular open systems approach, supporting integration across fixed sites and tactical vehicles such as the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle. Together, these capabilities signal a shift toward persistent, scalable air defense, designed to address threats at volume, not just speed.